sasamahan ko tong dalawa sa sa recognition nila. Alauna pa mag-umpisa yung kanilang recognition, so tambay-tambay muna kami. Ayan yung friend ni Kirby. Anong pangalan? Boyfriend? O friend? Parang yan. Babayat tayo niya.
Boyfriend din siya. Gusto niya rin boyfriend.
Gusto niya rin boyfriend.
Dapat kaya sama dito sa Dexter.
O ba di mo sinama?
Kasi isa lang yung pwede sumama. Kaya kumuha niya.
Kagahapon ako sabi.
Wala talaga eh.
Para na may kasama. Pitan ka. Ako na lang magsabi.
Ma'am daw magsabi sa akin.
Teacher.
Advisor nila ng teacher lang.
Everyone to settle in your seats and refrain from going out to the venue area. Lastly, if you have any concerns, we have ushers and usherettes to provide you with assistance. Thank you.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of our school director, Mr. Cecilio M. Vibria. Good afternoon, sir. To the branch for IC Taguig Campus, Mr. Samuel Aguilera. Good afternoon, sir. To our guest speaker, Mr.
OIC of Pasig Campus is Anvinus Ordonia. And at the same time, to our parents and students here this afternoon, good afternoon. Our guest speaker for today's recognition is distinguished graduate from Adams One University. She has earned a Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Latin honors.
And thank you for the warm and gracious introduction. It is truly an honor to stand here before such a distinguished audience today. So, I deeply appreciate all the kind words.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Pauwi na kami at natapos na rin yung recognition. So yun guys, tapos na yung recognition. Tapos ng ulan.